After 3 long years, I've finally done it. The evil machine of evil is finally complete. And no one's gonna stop me from taking over the world.
Stop there, evildoer.
What? Who are you?
Action.
Stop, evildoer, for here I have this kill code. This kill code that will stop your device.
Oh, shit.
Code. Back. Oh,
Nah.